show you how to make such beautiful Christmas trees. I have already folded so it looks like a star. And how you see, it's a square. So this is a little heavy, so I make it on this side. We must to use the line cell, and then fold it. So then it looks like a triangle, right? And now we have here 4 sides. We have one side and make such a funny shape, and then fold it so, and now the other side, the same thing. And here, neither. My little sister is in the bath. So I'm almost ready. Just one more. And ready. So it looks now so, and we must cut these things. So it looks like easy peasy Christmas tree. And now we have here a little place to make such lines. And so I have it. So now we fold it so. Here you see it. And oh. Do you happy for Christmas? I too. I almost ready. Oh no, I'm not almost ready. But it's okay. And the last one. It's ready. Bye. Merry Christmas.